Wow. We got a light down. So we got a train down here. Got a train down there. So, okay, it looks like the first one might be smelly. Woohoo! This is going to be a great night. Oh yeah, there's a green light down there. I just saw it go off. It's bright. In real life, this is very bright. It's one of these. You guys know what kind of cars these are? Leave them down in the comment section below, because I really need to know. They are smelly. So this next shot you're gonna see is me, what I call my Railfan chair. I'm not stealing this from AJ Railfan. Is it already over? Well, that was quick. Well, it looks like that one wasn't slowing down. That's because it just passed the other one. You can see there's a green light just about down there.
Yeah. Why is there a red light?
Oh, I think those are like censored. Oh, they're censored.
What does that mean?
That means when a train enters the block, it lights up, and when it leaves, it goes dark. Here comes the other one. I'm gonna get actually a really good shot here.
After this, we're going home. Seen 2 trains.
3,
3.
counting the one we saw earlier. Oh yeah.
I don't know what he's doing. That's on a hill.
Oh god, this one sounds big.
Huh?
Sounds a big one.
Come up here and take a picture.
No, I'm good right here. There they go. People are gonna be like, "What the heck? There's one train. Now there's another."
We're seeing one going north and now one going south.
2 going south.
Yeah.
Counting the auto rack we saw earlier, but I didn't record that since I was in panic. I was actually in a panic to record it, but I didn't have time. Here it comes. Actually, yeah, forget it. I'm going. Yeah, because I got a lot more. Yeah, that first one was smelly.
Yeah.
Why does this one look like
I'd
it's
like
gonna?
to see the rock train.
Why does this look like it's gonna take forever? Look, it's all the way down there.
Yeah, it's coming.
That's past our street.
Probably. Even past the bridge. Yeah, just past the bridge. Just about past the bridge. Oh my god,
It won't be as windy. It's on the other side.
yeah, that first one was picking up. The first one was picking up pace real quick. Even though I'm staring at it, it's kind of hurting my eyes. Ugh.
You see, he got his lights out.
That's because
the other train passed.
he was preparing for it to
And
pass.
as soon as the train passed, he put his lights out.
And then when this one came by,
He's coming slow.
he went 1 light. Dude, imagine this thing is here all night and we come back tomorrow and it's still there. That'd be nuts.
Oh, it's coming.
Oh, you remember that one time where...
Just like the other train, he came up with one, and then when he got when the signals drop, he put his flood lamps on.
No, because when he was there, he went 2, and then he went 1 here. He went 2 there, 1. He went 1 here, 2 there, and 1 here.
Daytime too. Not just at night. You just can't see them in the day.
Yeah, they're like very dim.
Because you can see them in the distance. That's how you can see them coming.
I'm staring at the light in my eye.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you better run across them tracks, people.
Stupid. Oh, he's a slow boy.
Might be a big one.
If he's a big one, I'm actually gonna be quite surprised.
He'll blow as soon as he sees your
Oh, oh my God. ES44 and an SD40-2-3. It's a manifest, of course, of course. Of course it's a manifest. It's a manifest. Oh my. You can barely even see the end. Okay, we got a pro core. I remember one time we were up here and I didn't record it and we saw I think it was a Norfolk Southern unit on a fast intermodal train. That sucks that I didn't capture that. Man. Kind of. Oh my God, look at all these tankers. Wait, he's going to Baltimore, right? Because that way's Washington. Right? Whoa, what kind of car is this? Another pro car, tank car. TTX. Pro core again. Even more TTX. GATX, then TTX. Okay, we got some trash, okay. Looks like I see another engine kind of over there where that orange light is.
See another way?
Engine.
Another train?
No, like another engine, like it's coming in to back it up. Since it's so long. Oh, I can't even see the end of it. Yeah, I think that is another engine. Yeah, it's 100%. Yep, that's another engine. I think it is. Yes, I told you. I think that's an ES44 ACE. Oh, that's not a good sign because he might be still going. He might be stopping.
A lot of tankers.
Yeah. Maybe he's going up to an oil factory.
Yep.
Okay, we got some, what's it, center beams. Yeah, center beams.
Done to me.
Train. Oh, he's picking up speed now. Isn't he?
Can't tell.
When is this thing gonna end?
Listen to the trucks, because that is that Tropicana? No.
Huh?
I think that's Tropicana all the way at the back.
Oh,
See
yeah?
it? I think that might be.
Why does this keep on going?
I don't know. The lighting here sucks. If it was daytime right now, it would be perfect.
See the end of the train.
up speed. So this might be a very long video, so make sure you stick to the end and see what happens, because I think we might have another train. Don't mind me, the lighting is horrible. Don't blame it on me. I think right here is really perfect. Or like, yeah, kind of like here. Actually, kind of like here. Yeah, it's a very long one. Oh, whoops, sorry. Okay, we got a lumber car right here. Lumber car. Yes, he's going faster now. It's all just garbage now. Ugh, smells.